actually my first time seeing the slab all finished. It's Friday and I was out here Monday when we were pouring, but since it was raining, it made the cement very rough in places where the water sat, so, which is a huge bummer. But it rained all while we were pouring, right, Joe? And then the whole, the following 2 days. So it took this concrete forever to dry up. It's something we can work with. It could have gone better. Again, we're just thankful for all the help that we got working out here. And it's so nice that it's done, isn't it, Joe?
Yeah.
So the next steps are to take off the forms, I do believe. So, and that will take a while. And there's plenty more steps after that. Hello and welcome to today's video. We just got out here. It's a bright, sunny day. Pretty chilly actually, but gotta keep working even though winter's coming along. We're gonna be working on taking the forms off from around the slab, so that's good. This is my second time being out here since pouring, which was a week ago today. The cement didn't really turn out as great as it could have, just because it was raining so much. It feels a lot bigger now that the slab is done. So I'm gonna see what I can help with and we'll get going. Josiah just letting me know what I can do, which is knocking off the ends of the flat ties that are sticking out. As you can tell, I'm not the fastest at knocking them off, but all that really matters in the end is that I get it done. And now that we finally have the forms spread away from the concrete, we now get to stack them. I accidentally stacked the wrong size on the wrong pile, so Joe kind of had to pull it out and place it elsewhere. Once the concrete forms are removed, Josiah then gets to place the foam board insulation against the base of the foundation. In the meantime, I was working on taking out pins on the forms that we would be removing next. Now the thing about pins is that putting them in isn't so bad, but taking them out feels painfully slow.
basically you just do it all again on repeat. Every now and again, I need a little assistance from Josiah.
All right, we actually took a little lunch break, which was nice. We went to one of the local restaurants, but we are finally on like the last stretch of what we're doing. So I just have to take all the pins out for all these forms, which isn't that many, which is really nice. And then Joe has to finish digging so he can put the insulation along the wall, as he's doing over here. And he just made a fire, which is kind of fun. So yeah, it's going well. It's beautiful out. I think we're probably going to be done here in a couple hours, so that'll be good.
After removing the forms, there was sometimes quite a bit of dirt along the foundation, so I had to go in and dig it out before placing the foam board insulation. And once again, here's Josiah helping me out with the pins I couldn't get out myself, while I started to pick up a bit.
All right, I'm gonna be all done for the day. Josiah has a few more things to finish up, but yeah, this is all we got done today, which is actually quite a lot. Basically, we're just gonna finish backfill and then probably do a few other things, like maybe like move all this stuff, and then it's on to framing the walls. So that is super exciting. I've honestly been looking forward to the framing the walls part for a long time, because then it's like actually feels like a house, even though once you're done with framing you're like a third of the way done, because all the finishing steps are they just take a long time. But thanks so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you'd like to see more videos on just the whole process of us building this house, then subscribe. And yeah, hope to see you in our next video.